Cataloochee 2025. We've been lucky the last few years. We take this trip every year during the Martin Luther King weekend, and we've always been fortunate to catch some snow. This year there was, I guess, some pretty good snow a week or two before we got there, and there was supposed to be snow on the way, but really happy with the conditions. It was a little overcast the first day. In fact, I didn't even do any GoProing the first day. I think this is the second day. Noah's on his snowboard, and we just did lap after lap. We love this place. It's some place that we look forward to coming to every year. One thing that's kind of unique about it is it's got a pretty steep run. Not necessarily the longest mountain or the longest slopes out there, but compared to like Sugar, which could get really long lift line, I feel like you get maybe a shorter ride here, but the lift lines are so short that you get right back up the mountain pretty quick. So I really enjoy Cataloochee. It's a little more low-key. It's a little less people. I don't know, it just feels a little cozier to me up here on the mountain. So, we did lap after lap, and eventually, I think it was this day, Noah actually broke his BOA strap on his one of his boots, and so he actually ended up renting skis, which was pretty funny because he hasn't skied in about 3 years. So I'll get to some funny little clips here in the future. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Look, we have fun coming here. I think if you haven't been here, you should come here. And yeah, this is just some videos of some of our runs. Enjoy them.
Let me throw up my set in your GoPro. Really good.
What's that?
Spread peace and love.
I don't have it on right now.
Yeah,
it's blinking.
All
right, now have them turn it on and say something completely different.
All right, now I go.
All right,
peace and positivity, gang shit.
Where you from, man? Where you from?
Atlanta.
Sweet. Yeah.
Oh, I thought this was a pretty funny little clip. I ended up having a little slide out, and I just wanted to see actually how far I could get going down the mountain when I just lifted up my snowboard. So I know it's kind of silly, but I thought it was kind of funny. So anyways.
See that?
You gotta cut into the upper right as soon as you cut that corner. First hump, it's going nice.
GoPro, stop recording.
That's what happens when you have a double XL ski. You can hit anyone. I'm walking. I was skiing down.
Good grief, it's cold.
Cold, bitch.
Ah, that's too quick.
What are you, baby? What are you, chicken? Bro, it's so warm. I hate it.
Way too warm.
Can we get this warmness out of here? Oh my gosh, I'm about to shred it. Do you think I'm going to shred it? Be honest. It's really hard to say.
You fall, make you fall with those stupid skis. This kid's got ropes on them.
Noah's rented a set of skis and it's time to see him rip.
We've been living in sin so long, all the fields are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, making through the day outright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go. All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over, it's about time. Oh, sing your high line on the roller coaster of life. You've got to all choose your timeline with the roller coaster of life. I want to go down the rabbit hole, down the rabbit hole of life. And now it's about to leave. Oh, roller coaster.
Oh, we're just playing around. Yeah. Go first, stop recording.
Came back and skied that night, and the next day we knew it was going to be cold. So my truck will show 1 degree. So when we were going up the mountain, yeah, it was at 1 degree. So it was so cold, my windshield actually cracked across the bottom, but it was super pretty. There wasn't any wind blowing, so it was incredibly cold, but it just had this real crisp, clear, clean sort of feeling to it. I asked a couple of the workers if they'd ever seen it this cold, and they said that no, this was the coldest temps they'd ever remember the slopes being open. So absolutely no one here, just a handful of people. So we were able to just get right on that lift and have a great day. So this is Monday, the last day that we'd be skiing and snowboarding, and just incredible views. Yeah, just had a really interesting feel to the weather.
No tracks yet. Really, only a couple. It's 1 degree. Too cold though. Quiet and cold at the top. Hey guys, can we go on that Meadows? Where did he go to? Is it right there? No, that's it.
So unfortunately my GoPro had gotten bumped down, so I didn't really get any good footage on this last day, which it was just a really clear, clean bluebird day, but that's the way it goes, you know. I just end up putting my GoPro on top of my helmet, and I turn it on pretty much every run, and you know, I obviously don't post all the videos, but I just try to grab some of the stuff that's interesting to me so I can share it with my friends and my family. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.